Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1, we're going to go over Chapter 12, Lesson 8. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, let's go over the key concept. Placing triangles on the coordinate plane. So here we have our coordinate plane, your x-axis and our y-axis. What they want us to do, as you can see in the name, is placing triangles on the coordinate plane. So first of all, we always want to use the origin as a vertex or center of the triangle. Origin is right smack dab at 0, 0. That should always be your first point if you can. We're going to say that 0, 0. And then if we can, place at least one side of the triangle on an axis. Well, we have an x-axis here and a y-axis here. With that, we want to keep the triangle within the first quadrant if possible. Our first quadrant is right there, top right. And we want to use the coordinates that make computations as simple as possible. So let's check this problem out. We want to name the missing coordinates of this isosceles triangle x, y, z. So first step is to place a point on the origin if we can, which we are doing right now. Then we actually know what x is. X is 0, 0 to the center. Then I also know that I want to put one point at the axis. So in our case, we're going to stick to the x-axis. Doesn't matter where you place it. I'm placing it right here. And then with that, we know it went to the left a units. We don't know how many. It doesn't matter how many boxes. We're just being very vague with this. So we're saying it went a units to the right. And that's positive, which we have right here. But then it says our next point is a question mark. Well, that's talking about the y-axis. It's not going up and it's not going down. So we know that z is a, 0 because it didn't go anywhere. Then let's go back to our question. It says, name the missing coordinates of the isosceles triangle. Means that we have two congruent sides. So we're going to say this side is going to be congruent with this side. We're going to place a dot here as well. But we don't know what this one is yet. So recall that we know that the distance between x and z is a. Well, if I want to split this and I want this side congruent with this side, the easiest way to see this is kind of make our own new triangle here. We're splitting our triangle. Now, if we have y, what we're actually doing to find out where this is, this point here, is we're saying a, and we're going to divide it by 2 because it gets split in half. And we're going to say comma, and it goes up. But we don't know how much it goes up, and it's not necessarily a. So we're going to say it's b units up. And there we go.